Slave and Lion. Once upon a time, there was a cruel king who owned many slaves. One of his slaves was a young man named Ollie. Ollie was a kind and hardworking man, and despite being a slave, he had a positive outlook on life. One day, the king decided to hold a grand feast in his palace, and he ordered Ollie to capture a lion and bring it to the palace as a form of entertainment for his guests. Ollie was terrified at the thought of facing a lion, but he knew he had no choice but to obey the king's orders. He ventured into the forest, and after many hours of searching, he finally found a lion. But instead of attacking him, the lion simply stared at him. Ollie was confused and surprised by the lion's behavior. He approached the lion slowly, and to his amazement, the lion simply laid down on the ground and let Ollie stroke its mane. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more lovely, amazing and exciting stories. Feeling grateful for the lion's kindness, Ollie decided to take it back to the palace with him. He managed to bring the lion to the king's palace safely, and the king was thrilled with the lion's arrival. However, the king soon grew bored of the lion and decided to kill it as a form of entertainment for his guests. Ollie was devastated by the king's decision and begged him to spare the lion's life. But the king refused and ordered his guards to kill the lion. Ollie could not bear to watch the lion die, and so he threw himself between the lion and the king's guards. The lion roared ferociously, scaring the guards away. The king was astonished by the lion's sudden change in behavior, and he realized that Ollie had formed a strong bond with the lion. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more lovely, amazing and exciting stories. Moved by Ollie's bravery and kindness, the king decided to free him from slavery and made him his trusted advisor. He also decided to spare the lion's life and allowed it to roam freely in the palace gardens. From that day on, Ollie and the lion became the best of friends, and they lived happily ever after. And the king learned an important lesson about the value of kindness and the strength of friendship. The moral lesson of the story is that kindness and compassion can lead to unexpected rewards. Even in the darkest of situations, a little bit of kindness can go a long way. And friendship and loyalty are some of the greatest treasures in life. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more lovely, amazing and exciting stories. In a world where people are often judged by their social status or wealth, it's important to remember that true character is not determined by these external factors. It's the kindness, compassion, and strength of character that truly matters in life.